This workout is going to keep tension on your muscles the whole entire time, so you can really focus on the stretch of the muscle and the contraction of the muscle. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a cable only lower body workout. I love this workout because I can just come right into the gym, go to the corner where the cable machine is, and just bust out this whole entire workout, get it done, and leave. This workout is going to keep tension on your muscles the whole entire time. That is one thing I do love about cable workouts. So you can really focus on the stretch of the muscle and the contraction of the muscle. So the concentric and eccentric phases of each movement. I am going to use a bench for this, but anybody can do this workout. So if you want to do these exercises without a bench, you can do that. I did also want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all of the love and support from my last video. It means the absolute world to me. I was so overwhelmed and so with joy, just tears of joy were streaming down my face. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing the video, liking, commenting. I love hearing your opinions on just health in general, and it means a lot to me that I can be vulnerable and share that with my fitness family here on YouTube. You guys mean the world to me. I wouldn't be able to do what I do without you, so thank you so much for your support, and I really hope that you enjoy this workout. So let's get to it. I'm so excited. Okay.
Guys, okay, here's our very first exercise. If you are a beginner, you can just start on the floor and lose the bench, or you can start with one of the stackables underneath instead of 3 like I have right here. As a personal trainer, I always make modifications for beginners to advanced so everyone can do this workout. Make sure you have enough weight and resistance so it's not too light. So actually a little bit more weight is a little better because you can kind of lean back and let the weight support your whole entire body. So you're gonna lunge back with one foot, keeping the opposite foot on the bench, pressing through the heel, slightly tilting forward and hinging at the hip, and then pressing back up to straight onto the bench. Make sure all the tension is in your glutes and heel and your knee stays behind your toe. And then you're gonna immediately straight away go into your next exercise. This is a superset exercise, so 2 exercises in a row with no rest in between. This is working glutes and hamstrings in a sumo position. Toes are slightly pointed outwards. Pull your belly button into your spine, back is nice and flat. You're gonna let the weight pull you forward, press your hips back to the back ball, and then stand up to straight, squeezing your back together. Okay, let's get set up for our next exercise. This is going to be a lateral movement. So I stand nice and tall, squat into a regular sumo squat to get my footing, and then I press back. You're going to lean away from the weight and come into a curtsy lunge, really sitting back into your heel, squeezing your glutes, so don't lean forward, but you are slightly hinging forward in the hip, but you're not leaning forward to where your knee comes over the front of your toe. That'll really cause a lot of problems in your knee. So really focus on the glutes, the quads, and your abdominals, taking all of the pressure off of those knees. I also want to remind you guys that if you are a beginner, cable workouts are so good for learning how to actually do squats, lunges, all of the things that you would do with just a barbell or a dumbbell. This is a great way to get your body to understand and learn the motions in the correct form. So all of these exercises, what you're doing is you're allowing the weight of the cable to kind of take some of the stress off of your body. That way you can really sit those glutes back into your heels without feeling like you're gonna fall forward with, you know, dumbbells or a barbell. Woo, that was so good. That's such a good alternative to a dumbbell side lunge to where you're leaning forward a lot. So for the beginners, highly recommend the side cable curtsy lunge. Such a good one. Okay, so here we go into our front lunges. So I know that walking lunges can sometimes be very difficult, especially for beginners. So I'm showing you how to get your body into that position and learn the motion so that you can excel into the walking lunges with dumbbells or a barbell. Okay, so get some nice tension with those weights. You don't want it too light here. You're gonna grab the rope on the sides of your body. Make sure that you're squeezing your back, you're squeezing your shoulders back and down so you are nice and stable. You're just gonna lunge forward and you're gonna make sure that knee stays behind your toe. Now, what I'm doing is kind of offsetting my lunge by stepping out to the side a little bit and then sitting back and down. So it takes pressure off of my knees. So this is a triset exercise. This is 3 exercises in a row with no rest in between. The second exercise here is going to be a sumo cable glute and hamstring pull through. So adjust your weight accordingly. Your feet are nice and wide in a sumo position. Toes are slightly pointed out. You're gonna let the weight pull your arms all the way through your legs. You're gonna look at the ground, feel the stretch in your hamstrings and your glutes. You wanna try to keep your chin to your chest when you stand straight up. Really squeeze your butt as hard as you can without doing a really exaggerated hip thrust. Then you're gonna bring your feet together. Toes are pointed forward now. They're just about hip width apart. You're gonna do the same exact thing. So this is gonna get more of that under butt and more of the hamstrings, and the sumo position gets a little bit more outer thighs. Okay fam, last superset exercise here. Let's do it. You're gonna grab the straight bar attachment and you're just gonna hold it right underneath your chin, squeezing into your chest, squeeze your back nice and flat. Pull your core into your spine, and we're gonna do crab walks back and forth. So you're gonna do 6 steps backwards, 6 steps forward. You're gonna do that 3 times. All these exercises are really gonna help you so much with endurance and being able to lift heavier, build that muscle, burn that fat, and be able to do all these things with just regular dumbbells as well. Now, I can't say that I've seen a lot of men doing these exercises, so I'd probably say this is a great workout for women, but if you are a man and this is your jam, then go for it. Okay, almost done here. Press through the burn. We're coming into our squat, so we're sitting our hips back into that invisible chair. Press into the heels, nice wide sumo position. Squeeze that bar into your chest, squeeze your back. Resist as you come up and resist as you come down. Finish it out. I'm dying right now. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, so next leg day, make sure you try this cable workout and let me know what you think. Bye guys. All right guys, I'm all done with that workout. That was such a good one. I loved it. I hope you enjoyed that workout too. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my fun creative workout videos. I do post Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, so I will see you on Wednesday. Bye guys.